I'm Denny Hall. I'm the director of the Ohio Bioproducts Innovation Center. Graduated from North Union High School. Studied agriculture there and came to Ohio State University, where I studied agricultural education and agricultural economics. In the case of Ohio, most people don't realize that Ohio ranks #1 in polymer employment. Polymers being paints and coatings, cleaners and detergents, rubber, adhesives, also things like natural fibers and using natural fibers, soybean hulls as a composite material blended with plastic resin to give it different performance characteristics. We know that there is some limit to the amount of petroleum that's available. And so to be able to identify materials that are grown right here locally or can be utilized right here locally is an important option. The bioproduct industry is one that connects everything from agriculture and agricultural supply all the way through agricultural processing, to specialty chemical manufacturing, to polymer manufacturing, to product development and manufacturing, to retail. And so you could be an engineer, you could be an agronomist, you could be a communications marketing person, you could be an educator, you could be in any of these kinds of biotechnology areas. We need specialists in each of those areas to kind of help satisfy this whole supply chain of opportunities. OBIC routinely employs students right here in our work. Collectively, since 2005, OBIC has helped to support research scientists, OSU staff, OSU students. Over 200 students, staff, and faculty members have received funding to support their work in the bioproducts arena. From my perspective, young people need to get really excited about bio-based technologies. Obviously, you're going to have to do well with math. You're going to have to do well with sciences. You know, chemistry is a big one for bioproducts. There are so many exciting opportunities in the bioproduct area. If you love this industry, if you're excited about this opportunity, there are lots of ways to connect. Opportunities are incredible for young people to start thinking about the ways that we capture what we think of as waste and reuse it into new marketable products that people value. One of the things that I think young people can do is look in their own community. And I'd be willing to bet that in their community there's an agricultural organization, a company that's in agriculture, or there's a polymer company, or there's a chemical company, or there's a product manufacturer. And visit the plastic company, visit the polymer company, visit these kinds of chemical industry people and say, to what degree is bio-based important to this company? And so always looking for ways to lessen the cost of the bio-based materials is an important area of work. One of the things that's really interesting about the industry of agriculture is that people think you've got to be a farmer to get into that industry, and that is just so not true. You can make hundreds of things from a soybean, and you don't have to be a farmer to know how to do that. You just need to learn about the chemistry and the physics of grinding and separations and distillation, etc. So there are lots of opportunities. You don't have to be a producer of corn and soybeans to utilize corn and soybeans to do lots of things that are important to the world. Certainly food, energy, fuels, biodiesel, ethanol, but also the whole area of bio-based products, a completely new domain for entrepreneurs and individuals aspiring to make something more sustainable.